Where are you, Cygnus?
Right here.
Why did you send these children? Face me!
He seems nice.
He sounds angry.
It's probably fine.
Yeah.
Bowling boulder. That would be so much better if it just activated on its own, like a normal trap.
Yep.
Egan, that was Vorwick, and he was filled with rift magic. I'll bet if he uses
that's what the
too much
dragon
rift
does.
magic, he will just implode or close.
Cool. So this guy just uses himself up while we crush his giant orc army? Sounds good to me.
Oh, yeah.
Mountain
Army
troll.
crushing first. Good call.
Jeez.
Oh, yeah, mountain trolls.
Cyclops mage.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's all
Wraith
level
healer. Fire fiend overlord.
too. Heck.
Fire fiend mage. Oh my gosh.
We had some Fire Fiend Overlords already, I think.
I don't remember seeing them, but I mean, it's possible. Okay, what the fuck is all this? So, okay, here's our rift room. They come from
And we
the
have so many
sides
entrances.
and the back. So this would be one
We
door.
can block one of this.
We can block a lot of stuff off.
Yep.
Um,
Okay, I'm blocking the left here.
oh, I was gonna say block the. That's the right. I was gonna say block the other one actually.
Oh. Why?
Right.
Why?
Because then we can make the south go all the way around.
Oh, well. You got this.
Whatever you want to do.
No, I don't know. I'm not fully
No better place than this.
certain of how the layout on this works.
It's fine. It's fine. Gosh, we can do all sorts of gross stuff
Exactly
if I
where
had
I
unlimited
want
money.
it.
Actually, no. That's a good place to block. You're smart.
The optimal spot.
Okay, so see, then these south guys have to go all the way up here. Aruna, thank you so much for the 26 months. I hope you're doing well. And then we block this off.
Placement.
Yeah.
See, then they have to go all the way here, and then we block this off.
Oh, we can't block this one.
Yes, we can.
Can we?
Yeah, because then they can go through this door
Oh, right.
and through
Yeah.
here.
And then we make our kill box here-ish.
Yeah, but see, like we can do more as well, but
I mean,
know.
let's fill this up first, then we figure. But yeah,
here we go.
very smart.
Oh, this is a weird hallway.
Putting some big flippers.
I'm feeling this one.
Oh, this is annoying.
Some seating. If you make a squared off thing, let me show. I can put some archers around. Like here. Let me have this square on the back.
I'd rather just maze around here. Is the archers worth that?
Fair.
Because what if put them up here or something?
We can't close this. Oh, we can't. Never. Yeah.
This will catch him off guard.
Oh yeah, you can do that.
Yep. Put some archers, because archers are always good, because they don't have cooldowns like trap do.
Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Do we have
It's
any
gonna
big
be
war
fun.
traps? No,
I
it's
can
fine.
place one.
No, it's okay. Oh my
Didn't think
gosh.
to.
No.
Ah! The big flippers are very good.
They're preparing, but they ain't.
It even makes a Scooby-Doo noise.
Yeah.
Oh, it can get through because there's orcs.
There it is, orcs. Oh god.
I'm stuck on orcs. Ow. I died.
Oh shit, oh shit.
So many got through.
I know, I know, I know. This is why it's okay. So we need to block the other side up front because then these guys will have to go to the right.
They're attacking the barricade. The barricade is under attack.
No, don't do that.
Tell your friends. Oh wait, you can't because you're dead.
Okay, where did they attack? Oh, they were trying to attack the archers.
Yeah. It's the orc archers that do that.
Yeah. I want you to come block up here instead.
Oh, I was placing one. Stuck.
Huh? Instead of on the
placing
right
one.
side.
Oh? Okay.
Yeah.
You can just scout them and do it. Okay.
I don't get to know.
Just let me know. Oh,
There we go. Yeah, block that lane up front. That way they have to come through here.
Yep. Can you sell them on the other side, please?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay, thank you.
But also
There we go.
there's
Let me
I might
try a
have to
thing.
let me do some. Oh yeah, this is fine. Yeah, I think this is how we want it.
Okay, yeah, so they gotta walk all the way over.
Yeah. Oh nice, you
Yep.
got that. Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Do the young apprentices expect this?
Oh, there you can shoot the guy, but
Yeah, and he's using his own energy to do it.
What?
He's summoning a rift in the back.
yeah.
What the fuck?
It's sealed off though, isn't it?
Yeah, idiot. So we just will have to be very careful about this. That's so rude.
Yeah. At least it showed on the map a while before.
Yeah. So we have time. Where are you idiots going?
Oh, they don't try to open the gate if they don't have to. Oh, and the rift he opened just closed.
Yeah, okay, I figured it wouldn't last forever. That's good.
Hey, the ballista feels so good to use on the conga line. They're getting through.
I'm gonna... Oh, fuck. I might block these off just in case. I don't know, we'll be okay for now, I guess.
Well, this was prime dragon territory because they got a snake through.
Yeah.
They brought the dragon. Ow, ow, ow.
Wherever you want to put them. If you saw my ice trap, that's fine.
No, I don't. I can't place dragons. I didn't bring them along this time. But I gotta.
The barricade is under attack.
Got some arrow traps. Arrow traps are always good.
Oh, I didn't bring my ballistas again. I keep forgetting about them. It's fine.
The ceiling ballistas?
Yeah.
They're not great.
Oh, okay.
Their fire rate is very, very bad.
Well, that's a shame.
Yeah. They're good to put, you know, on the end of the line for the big ogres, but otherwise they're lame. No! Ah, I fucked up.
What did you do?
I misaligned it.
Oh,
Now it's wrong.
I'm sorry.
They're attacking a barricade.
Gosh dang it.
Gonna go to the.
They'll never see this one.
Oh, they got yeeted and survived probably.
Maybe
Score
there's just
them!
a couple random dummies.
Yep. Oh, and now they're gonna start coming from the back. Okay.
Whoa! Why was this trap not in the handbook?
Nice. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess this is
I'm
fine.
feeling this one.
Perfect placement.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's see. Ice cannons, because those are always fun.
Yeah.
More archers.
Yep.
Let's see. Here.
Yeah, you can have it. You can have it. Or whichever. Oh, they're coming. I'm goofed.
Yeah.
I'm goofed.
It's okay though. They still gotta go to the.
They have to go literally the entire map.
Yep. We just gotta make sure to kill as much as we can so it doesn't take too much of our time.
Yeah.
I don't have the coin.
Enemies are preparing to breach one of our squares.
Looks like the corner. No one puts baby in a corner, and no one's more baby than me.
Big or small, I can take
That do
them
be
all
true.
down. That was pretty.
Our enemies are attacking.
Yeah, we kinda know that.
Watch out.
That's why there are enemies.
Have broken through again. Here they come.
How did he... That earth elemental went flying. Wait, where are these guys coming from? They're just ahead?
Yep. Just got fast.
Tell your friends. Oh wait, you
The
can't.
barricade is under attack.
Where? Oh, dude. I want to put a... they don't really have any, like, sappers, right?
Yep, but they have a briar on their
Okay,
already.
okay. I might need,
That is one huge troll.
mountain
Oh
troll.
my gosh, that's even bigger than I expected mountain trolls to be.
Still fall the same. Idiot.
Bigger they are, the harder I hit them.
Yeah, true. I guess I'd have my healing phase.
Another expected victory.
Okay, oh, they healed. Okay, cool.
Yep. And
I love traps.
next one, gonna be just from here too.
Oh, nice. Okay. I still might build up some of the other
Ready
direction,
as
especially because these guys have to go there too anyway.
Yep.
Okay, I'm ready.
Same.
My energy brings more rifts.
Where?
Oh fuck.
Ah.
Oh, okay. Sure. Yeah, I guess that's okay.
Yep, good idea, dude. Good idea. You got this.
Oh no, not there. Why would that so rude?
Right. Such a bad place to put a rift. What are we to do? Gosh, they ever get around fixing the other one? To know your place.
Yeah.
Easy. Not so tough now.
No, stop doing that, fire dicks.
Right.
Another rift at any cost.
Okay, where's this one? Oh no!
No.
Enemies incoming.
So
Wish something else came out
rude.
of these rifts. Like bunnies?
The barricade is under attack.
What are they doing here?
I don't want to ask. Y'all have fun. Why is there someone?
We were meant to see that.
Yeah. What is going on with this guy over here? Did you get... Oh, he's dead now. Okay, well, I don't know what that was.
Give me a second.
I don't remember that from the book. Uh-oh. Pretty sure that's a Cyclops mage. Right, sorceress?
Yes, they're immune to magic attacks, and his ranged attack will chase you.
Fine.
Oh, it's happening again.
Good eye.
In the corner, but it's ogres this time. They,
They're almost there.
How did this guy get over? What? Okay, I guess just walking.
I don't know. Let's just...
I think because the rift is so close right there,
Maybe?
their AI is breaking and trying to get it. I don't know.
There, this should fix it.
Yeah. Look
Also, I need to fix something in the front. Oh, a three-way now.
All set.
Oh yeah, now we got all of them. That's fine.
More enemies on the way.
More enemies are shitting everywhere.
My
Just
wrist
some casual.
What if I just shoot him?
of my army.
I tried.
Dang. Okay, it's back there
A
again. That's
new
fine.
rift is opening.
Yep, doesn't
Actually-
matter.
One evil overlord needs.
It's right like on the barricade, so I'm gonna go just like watch it a little.
Yep.
Because that's a very, if they were to jump over that barricade or something, it would be very bad.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, also we have yellow guy. Okay, yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, they're alright.
Yep. And the yellow guys we got are the dynamite archers.
Oh, true, so they won't do that.
And don't come back.
As long as they don't see us. We got some big boys over here, but I'm giving them a pounding.
Yeah. There's a lot of big boys back here.
Big or small?
Another rift.
Another one. Oh!
Oh shit! This one's dangerous. Yeah, this one is.
That's not good, right?
Oh heck, this one is bad.
We got it.
They're attacking the barricade.
Bye-bye.
We can fix this, but okay, we're alright.
The barricade is under attack.
Our archers carried us.
Yeah. Okay, what I'm gonna do.
There.
Oh,
You can just tell them.
I can't because we're in a way. But
Yeah,
I'll sell
yeah.
them afterwards. Yeah.
Oh! I tried to crap in the middle.
Oops.
And don't come back.
Oh, there's a lot of these fire fiend overlord fucks.
They're nothing special, they're just the heavy orc version of.
Up now.
Yeah. But they also have heavy, so they're double heavy. Ow. What's this fucking Cyclops mage being a dick? Stop that. Okay, we know. Enemies are attacking. Yeah, they're attacking everywhere.
That's all they do. That's all they ever do. But this is not a great place for ballista, honestly. I should have placed an outpost and then a ballista on top of that.
You can move it if you want.
I need a bigger challenge.
Dang it.
Easy peasy. I need a bigger challenge.
Enemy forces are attacking!
Yeah, they are.
Tell your friends. Oh wait, you can't because you're dead.
Oh no, they're doing thing on the corner again.
Oh my gosh.
Even though there's traps there.
Big or small, I can take them all down.
Mura, 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 mura.
Bye.
My JoJo gun.
See, I did make Eve watch the entirety of JoJo up to part 5, and we're getting on to part 6 at some point.
Yes, yes, yes. True. Okay. I am actually. I'm gonna. No, I guess I'll push these up here. And then I'm just gonna delete these. Just that way. This. Oh, the archers are unprotected though. Okay, look, I'll do.
I mean, if they spawn back, don't. It doesn't matter if they spawn back here. The archers are gonna.
Off we
Okay.
go.
We should be good.
Probably.
Textbook.
I wish there was a better place for me to put the ballista though.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm good.
Shay.
Oh, this is a better place to put the ballista.
Yeah.
I gotta go through here. Yep.
Finale.
Finally.
Reveille.
Finale.twAV. Like, I love how W is objectively the worst letter.
Why?
Because in any
My energy brings more rifts!
any word where you say the letters rather than composing them, then you have to say W.
More of this can Warwick
It's always faster to say WAV than WAV because W is
Yeah.
such a
I'm hurting.
weird thing to say.
That was
Oh yeah, putting the ballista here was such a good call.
My rifts bring more of my army!
Where?
It's fine. Down.
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
the
yeah.
more risk he opens, the weaker he gets.
They're attacking the barricade!
Where okay?
Over here, there's some fire. Bugs.
Okay. What is down?
The door is down.
Oh,
We
that's
broke through a door.
fine, yeah.
Yeah.
barricade is under attack.
Tell you when. Oh wait,
They're
you
attacking
can't
a
because you're
barricade.
dead. And don't come back.
The combination of all these frees plus the archer is so good.
Apprentices expect
Yeah.
this.
At this point, kind of, yeah.
Weakening Warwick.
I wish something else came out of these rifts. Like bunnies?
The barricade is under attack.
Oh no, the poor things.
What?
They spawned right on top of my big clipper traps. Straight into the ouch.
They're attacking a barricade.
This one.
Whoa! Get fucked! I'm standing right next to the flipper, and a fiend came up to try and hit me, and just whoop!
Yep.
A barricade is under
Oh, look at our Q streak.
Generate mana.
133.
And getting out. Oh, there we go. Stopped it.
No.
145.
Oh, that's okay. Well, that was close. It's fine. I almost jumped in the water. That puts me here. Interesting. Okay.
They're attacking a
Nope.
barricade.
I can dynamite archers.
Barricade.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay out here.
Oh shit, they got from behind,
Where?
Oh, but they're dumb. Okay. They could have won this game if they wanted to. I think they're stupid.
Just like in training.
No, it's still blocked off. They just saves them the time.
Oh, but you...
Yeah, because I was smart. They may be dumb, but I'm not. Well, okay, maybe a little.
They're attacking a barricade.
Yeah, oh
Can you
well.
repair? Oh no, you can't repair these barricades, right?
Yep, only the ones I place. Which is a dumb game design decision, honestly.
I agree.
It's almost like they tacked multiplayer on after we fought much
Yeah,
thought.
which is weird because it every game was built with multiplayer in mind.
Exactly where
It
I
always
want.
seems like it. I don't know. Oh well.
Yeah.
No
Oh well.
better place than this.
Oh, they sound so happy when they're flipped. It's so sad.
Boy, oi, 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 oi.
Big or small, I can take them all down.
Can you stop shooting me with dynamite?
Bye-bye.
Don't worry, they're about to dynamite.
Easy peasy. That was trivial.
Hey, Central, how you doing? Yep, I have changed my Twitch name. Still me though. What are these two dorks doing out here?
They got yeeted.
Good job. Come down here, idiot. Good job, good job.
Good job, boy.
Oh right, he just explodes himself. Oops. I was looking forward to him being... Huh?
They were children. They still had much to learn. But this day, they became war mages.
They became women. Wait, both of us? That's how it goes.
Kids, I found you. No, don't worry, you're safe. Looks like old Maxie saves the day again.
Yep, definitely.
This guy knows we totally saved the order.
The next
I'm sorry,
campaign
who took
play
out
as
the
him.
bundle, Orc? And I did it with this piece of wood around my neck. Speaking of which, a little help?
You were a prisoner.
Yep, that's exactly what I wanted Vorwick to think.
You were in chains.
I was biding my time, waiting patiently for an opening. Like the door.
You've never waited patiently for anything.
Oh, wow, there's a voice I haven't missed. I mean, Gabs! Great to hear you again.
Do not call me Gabs.
Gabs.
You were my idol.
Really? Awesome! Let's get a selfie together. Or a bothie.
Ew! Get away! You stink!
Maximilian, thank them for rescuing you.
What's rescuing, really? That word can mean so many things.
Just say thank you.
Fine. Kids, thanks. You did good. Real good. Though I still did gooder.
Max!
Best war mage ever. Do 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 do. Guys, how about a little help with the wooden thing here? Get me unchained? Unchained. Where have I heard that before? Hello? Gabs? Kids? Where'd everybody go? I don't need anyone. I'm just gonna stay here with this wooden thing on my neck. Say what you want about stocks, but I make this look good.
He just
My
keeps
stock
going.
is rising. Get it? Because it's a stock. It's not really comfortable. Hey guys? They wouldn't just leave me, would they? Nah, probably not.
Okay. Now that's a way to get me
Oh,
to
you got
watch
the time on
kids.
that one.
Hell yeah, good job. Oh, by 4 minutes left. I like this song. This is cool.
Oh,
Perfect.
you got all the dialogues.
Prisoner Max, Sorceress, Cygnus, Vorwick, and then all of their main weapons.
Yep.
Drastic steps.